Hey everyone, and welcome. We're John and Lorna, and back in 2023 we decided it was really time for a change. We decided to leave the Gold Coast in Australia, and we sold pretty much everything we owned, including our Harley Davison, our house, and traded it all for an adventure in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And it's been an incredible journey so far. We've already picked up a new Harley, found a wonderful new home, and even got a Ford Wildtrack. So follow along as we give you a peek into our daily life, our views about living in Thailand, and all our travel adventures. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. It's late Saturday afternoon and we're headed over to the Chiang Mai Richco Harley Davison Silverline bike reveal and open house gathering at the Harley dealership here. But first things first, you can't arrive at a party on an empty stomach. So before we drove over, we made a crucial pit stop at our local food court, and this was the perfect way to fuel up on our favourite Thai food. You want me to carry one?
No, okay.
You'll come back. It's delicious, isn't it? Look at that. How was it, John? Good.
Very good.
Our local Saturday market was in full swing, and we took in some of the local atmosphere with ice creams from our favourite shop before heading off. arrived at the Richco Harley Davison, the celebrations were in full swing and the energy was electric. They were celebrating the big reveal of all the new Harley-Davidson Chrome Edition bikes. And wow, did they shine. The place was packed with fellow riders and motorcycle fans, all here to check out the new bikes, to listen to some great music and soak in the incredible Harley atmosphere. It was an awesome night out. We met up with friends, checked out the amazing new Harley merch, including some new clothing lines, and definitely it was a party we won't forget anytime soon. That's very cool. I love it. Look at that. Nice. Steve. Hello, how are you?
Good to see you.
Hope you don't mind being on the camera. Steve, how are you?
I'm okay.
You're good. You're looking good in your cap.
Thank you.